Here at NextGen TV, I'm with Peter Shearman of Cisco. Peter, you've presented at the conference, and we're here in Derby, and it's about a Wi-Fi project that took place in Derby.
Yeah, indeed. So we started working with Derby about 3 years ago as part of their regeneration plans, and through that a number of projects spawned. One of which was City Wi-Fi, and through Cisco Meraki, we've been able to help them realise their City Wi-Fi ambitions.
I think it's particularly innovative. Can you tell me why?
Sure. So there's a couple of ways that what they've been looking to do has been quite different from other cities. So there's been a ton of technical innovation where they've been using a lot of the capabilities of Meraki, which advances the state of the art somewhat, and that's around how you can use presence and location in what you're doing. They've also been very creative in terms of how they've deployed the network and how they funded it, and that mix of creative approaches helped them to manage some of those sort of delivery challenges that other cities have found.
Now, Wi-Fi, we all take it for granted, we all expect it, and yet it's really an unsung hero of broadband delivery these days, isn't it?
It is, and it's come a long way from the early days when I remember people in university halls trying to wire up their entire flats and so on. But at this point in time, mobility is clearly critical for the way that we live our lives. We've seen the rise of mobile, 4G. Indeed, Derby has 4G deployment. Wi-Fi is an important part of that mix, and with the way that new services are being created on a daily basis, the need for ubiquitous connectivity is only going to grow.
So do you see Derby as a bit of a role model for some of the other cities in the UK?
Indeed, and actually we've often when we've been working with other cities and other local authorities, we've actually sent them Derby's way to say, you should go and have a look at how they're doing things, at the approach they're taking, and also about how they're developing their brand as a city, because they've obviously thought long and hard about what their strength is. They've got an advanced manufacturing base, and it's important when they're thinking about their digital future that it's built around that historic capability and the existing market that they've got. And that's an important lesson actually for a number of cities where they may be looking at sort of Me Too digital economies to revive a city. And actually there's an important bit about creating your identity around an existing local strength.
OK, Peter, well, I'm going to go and try it out now, but in the meantime, thanks for speaking to us.
No problem. Thank you.